This is the Unilight super heavy duty cutting torch. This model is for heavy duty series. As you can see here, the torch is all made from bronze. It's a very good quality torch. Unilight is made in this one is also from UK. And this set is used for the oxy-acetylene cutting set. If you want something longer, we also have this available, 45-degree heavy duty cutting torch. It's longer and it's easy to do your work. And if you want something more special, you can choose this. "180-degree length cutting torch." This is for special job purposes. And we've got lots of choice over here we can choose from. We have the medium duty cutting torch and the heavy duty cutting torch.